How can you tell when the economy is headed towards trouble? One of the best ways to know is by looking at inflation and deflation and if they are varying by great amounts. Now, these are Federal Reserve statistics and they look like they have an upward trend, but that's because they are tied to a base year. These are the Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis's numbers. They keep them from 1913 forward, and they're tied to the base year between 82 and 84, which was about 100%. And they give you the annual average, like every year they give you what the consumer price level was, and then the level of change from one year to the next. So here we're beginning to look at the changes that happen between the percentages, and these percentages go up and down. They have had that trend taken out. Now, the more there's peaks and valleys here. You can see this is a little higher, this is a little lower, this is higher, down again, works its way back up, and then crashes after 2008. And the way you can tell is that the economy may be having trouble is if you start seeing these big crashes. And right now you can see it was up and then it pretty quickly came back down, and now it seems like it may be going up. So it's the volatility. It's just how much it goes up and down that starts to give you an indication. So whereas in 1995 it was kind of mild, it just went up and down in a range that wasn't too big, we've begun to hit much more dramatic peaks and valleys, and that's what we can look at, and that does indicate that probably the economy is a little bit more delicate. Now, we're going to look at some other ways that you can play with that. If you go over to my blog right now, I have a post that's specifically about how you can use this type of information to help build your career. Even if you're not an economist, go take a look. It's over at the Digital Cycle.